Unlocking the power of job descriptions, a game changer in recruitment. The linchpin of success, a well-crafted JD acts as the pivotal force, influencing every step in the recruitment journey. Empowering choices, clear JDs guide job seekers, providing a roadmap for informed decisions about roles, responsibilities, and company culture. Quality over quantity. Explicit JDs serve as beacons for recruiters, enhancing sourcing precision and attracting high-quality candidates. Time is money. A crystal-clear JD expedites the screening process, saving valuable time for both recruiters and candidates, ensuring efficiency throughout. Beyond the surface, while benefiting job seekers and recruiters, JDs indirectly contribute to organizational success by ensuring legal compliance and building trust. Transform your recruitment game with the power of JDs. Subscribe for more insights. Follow us on our social media channels.